Hello guys, this is another Ant Escapade video. Oh, that racket is from over there. And so we have a queen ant right here. And she's in her container. For those of you who think she just arrived, she hasn't. I've been feeding her. So I'm just going to show you her. There the container is. Let's see. So she hasn't just arrived. I've been having for her for a long time now. Can't really see her too good. That's her. I'll take it out a bit. So it's quite barely. There it is. That is what we want. Right there. That is our queen ant. She has 6 workers. So for everybody who likes this colony, she has got a name. Sorry, came with a package. She has 6 ants. You can see more than me. Good job. But there's her and her 6 ants. I agree. She looks fabulous if you're thinking that. But yeah. Ants are fascinating for me, and older kind. Yes, there's big, everything's going good. Her food's on the other side of the container right there. Other than that, the ants must think it's feeding time because they're not introduced to light too much. I introduced her to light yesterday for the food. Other than that, yeah. So out there, it's stormy. That's all I have to say for my little, where is it? There. No, that's the end. There she is for my little queen ant, but I wouldn't end it like that. So I'm going to have a little time with some buddies and then do some more things. Okay, so we're starting off with her. Let's go to the budgies. Here are our budgies. Let me get it zoomed out. Charlotte. And then there's Pete in the background, always loving that mirror. I'm still standing. Yeah. And then there's a squid. It's originally a cat toy, but they love pulling out the tentacles. It's not enough space for them. I'm planning to move into a bigger house and get them a bigger enclosure so everything is fine with them. So, bam, they're good. But Charlotte is a good budgie. I've made her bite me before. Charlotte, bite. Go on. Bam. See, she thinks my finger's like food. And then I got a fake bird right there. Real bird nest. And real bird's nest. And then over, where is it? Oh, here's the logs. Which side? Here's another fake bird that we have. So I'm not going to end it just with the budgies either because this video is not big enough. Okay, so I think I'm going to end it with something else. But what? I don't know what to end it with. What should I end it with? I know. I'll meet you when I get it all ready. Bam. It's my start game. So just gonna clean that. Okay, I gotta go to will play. Go. Let's eat everything, baby. Baby, I'm having a good celebration. Baby, oh my God, what's happening? I'll show you when the shark stop eating the camera. Sadly, the shark died. It was an unhealthy diet. Let's try this again. See if it goes better.
Hello, darkness, my very old friend. I've come to be with you once again.
Can't remember this word of the song.
Yeah, maybe.
Baby shark do 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 do, but this is a whale shark do do do.
Eating everything. Eating.
To find something good for once. Let's eat everything some more. Why is there nothing good to eat anymore? I mean, like, this game has nothing good for you to eat. I don't know why, but it's just not too good. Buddies. Seriously, right now. Buddies. Buddies. Right now. Okay, so I'm playing as the humpback whale. Alright, they think it's a shark in the game.
Eating everything time.
Oh, let's eat everything. Let's eat everything.
The sharks have tilted the camera. This is a bad scene. We might go. I'll meet you when this gets better.
Better. Let's do this and then I'll meet you.
The shark is starving from all that unhealthy diet.
I can't eat. Can't eat. Can't eat. Alert. I can't eat. It's not letting me eat. Can't eat. Can't eat. It's not letting me eat. What is this? Is it make me die or something? Oh my god, I almost died.
Oh, I'm about to die again.
Eat everything time.
Come on, fishies. I know you're in there.
There's nothing for me to eat right now. Dude, this is too boring.
I'm gonna stop.
Yum, good times to be. The boning. The boning.
Gotta eat everything. Stuff together. Everything together.
Go the opposite way for once. Let's get this show on the road moving. Get a new shark or something for once. Stuck on this shark. Can't move. I'm not gonna spend my money for no reason. Spending money for your game's a bad thing, kids. Don't do it. Just get rid of your money. Just want your money. And then half of it goes to the government.